Former Google Cloud executive speaks out.
Microsoft's Pentagon Cloud Contract pitch.
Simtek partners with Alibaba Cloud.
Microsoft invests in Grab. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup, October 12th, 2018.
Welcome to another edition of the Lifter Cloud Roundup on lifternews.com. We're your anchors, Shaylee Webb
and Corey Bowling, here to guide you through some interesting changes in the cloud and how they impacted the Lifter Index. Let's jump on in.
Former Google Cloud product management lead Amir Hermelin has recently written a post on Medium in which he explains what he thinks the future will hold for the company. Hermelin noted that Google's two biggest mistakes were spending too much time chasing AWS and Microsoft Azure and taking too long to realize the value of the enterprise market.
Hermelin was on the Google Cloud team beginning in mid-2012, 18 months before Google's compute engine would become generally available. He wrote in his post, quote, "Seeing success with Snapchat and the likes and lacking enough familiarity with the enterprise space, it was easy to focus away from large orgs. This included insufficient investments in marketing, sales, support, and solutions engineering, resulting in the aforementioned being inferior compared to the competitors."
Google has put significant effort in the cloud arena over the past year and a half. Previously, the company's poster child for its cloud suites were Snapchat, but they have now secured Fortune 500 companies like Verizon and eBay. Google has yet to respond to Hermelin's post.
The bids for the heavily sought-after Pentagon Cloud contract that could lead to a possible 10-year partnership are due at the end of the week. Microsoft has posted a blog post highlighting its ability to secure the most sensitive government applications.
By the end of the first quarter of next year, Microsoft will have completed its work on Azure Government Secret, which was first announced last year. Azure Government Secret will support secret U.S. classified data or Defense Information Systems Agency Impact Level 6 workloads, according to the post written by Julia White, Microsoft's corporate vice president. They will soon also support top secret workloads.
The company also announced Azure Reservations, which will allow government customers to sign up for 1-year or 3-year blocks of cloud services to fix their costs in place for an extended period of time. With Google Cloud officially dropping out of the running Monday, Microsoft could have an even better shot at securing the contract.
Semtech has announced that it is partnering with Alibaba Cloud to help enterprises in China adopt its LoRa devices and wireless radio frequency technology. The joint effort will secure and establish the radio spectrum for the rapid growth of IoT solutions for multiple vertical markets and new use cases in China. This includes logistics tracking, food safety compliance, air quality, and smoke detecting safety.
Alibaba Cloud introduced the first LoRa-based airship balloon, which connected sensors from 20 meters underground to 40,000 meters above ground, demonstrating the extensive capabilities of LoRa technology, including long-range, simple, and flexible network deployment.
At a recent industry event, Alibaba demonstrated one of the new use cases in a video in which an unmanned vehicle delivered a package with real-time tracking and event detection. This indicates in the future, China's IoT industry will leverage Semtech's LoRa technology due to its long-range, low-power capabilities with a simple, flexible network.
Mark Pagulu, the Vice President and General Manager of Semtech Wireless and Sensing Products Group, said in a statement, quote, "The abundant amount of low-power IoT use cases emerging in China leveraging Semtech LoRa technology will position the platform as the de facto IoT solution, and we anticipate Alibaba will be one of the industry leaders as it strengthens its ecosystem of IoT partners in China."
Microsoft is investing in the ride-hailing and on-demand services company Grab, based in Singapore, as a part of a deal to collaborate on big data and AI projects. Under the agreement, Grab will adopt Microsoft Azure as its preferred cloud provider. The companies did not disclose financial terms.
Grab will use Microsoft's technology to scale its own digital platform. Peggy Johnson, Executive Vice President at Microsoft, stated, quote, "Our partnership with Grab opens up new opportunities to innovate in both a rapidly evolving industry and growth region."
The companies also said they will be working on a number of innovative deep technologies projects, including, for those that opt in, facial recognition with built-in AI design to help replace the old-school method of ID checks. This is the second automated partnership Microsoft has made recently. Will we see more? Stay tuned to future roundups to find out.
That's a wrap for this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@lifternews.com.
See you next week.